Hello, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm doing another Google Earth video. And this is going to be the second Google Earth video that I have done so far. If you haven't seen my Joplin one, I recommend going and checking that one out. Now, for some facts about this tornado, this tornado was rated an EF5, which you may be asking how it was rated at, which was because of the well-built housing here in Parkersburg, Iowa. And this is currently the March 2024 of the Google Earth photo of Parkersburg, which looks like they have updated. It looks like with Google Earth, because last time I was checking out Google Earth and they didn't have anything 2024, so it looks like they have added some stuff for 2024. It looks like. Now, if we take a look, there's some areas which are kind of like just like patchy. There's just only grass, which if you what I mentioned with my last video with the when powerful tornadoes hit the areas like these, there becomes areas where there's like grass and there's basically driveways to nowhere because of the tornado which hit, which in this case basically happened here. Now let's go all the way back. All right, looks like it's kind of housings are houses are repaired. It looks like, although it looks like it's a bit debris still. Let's go back to 2008, which is the year which a tornado did hit. The tornado started out here, which this tornado did hit a lot of farmland, so it didn't really do much damage other than the buildings which were hit in the, of course, Parkersburg area. And if we go along here, some businesses that are destroyed, houses that are destroyed. Also, looks like a school got destroyed too. I went up here. I'll probably this way. Trying to look at the ground, see if we can find any like remnants or anything, so we could maybe tell where the tornado kind of went, but a little bit hard to tell. Thinking, and if we follow, the tornado did follow along the path, which did go into like kind of like here. Looks like there's some maybe houses there, but it doesn't seem like it. But it looks like there's a bit of destruction here, maybe a little bit there. Go along here. There's like some destruction along here. Yeah, this is the one thing about with some tornadoes, and of course looking at Google Earth on, well, yeah, Google Earth, is that sometimes it's really hard to tell where the tornado went, because sometimes like the markings of like the funnel, like digging into the ground, is just not there depending on the tornado. And then it kind of just died out over here. Oh, I wonder with the trees we can maybe find something. If anything. Maybe there. Not seeing any knockdown trees. So this tornado seems like it did go over a lot of like flat land. Alright, now I'm curious to see what the, go back to 2020. Okay, 2020 is fine. That'll work. Close enough. So, see. What it looks like now. So it looks like maybe like a fire, maybe a firehouse. Either that or it's like a, no, it's an auto shop. Looks like a grill, bar. Pretty cool. City Hall right there. Oh boy. This is, okay. That's the one thing about, okay, can I just use my, okay, can. Come, right. Hold on, let me just like exit the street view real quick and then we'll go like there. What is happening? Okay. Google Earth is being a little bit weird. Street view. Okay, I guess we don't get street view there. Yeah, there's like, I think just probably this little area over here's probably been all grass for a while. Actually, hold on, let me actually check again. Whoa. Uh, stuff is going a little wacky. Oh yeah, for sure, that's been like that. Oh, what's changed over here? Oh, grass is very green right there. Oh, whoa. I'm having difficulties. Alright. Well, I think that should be good for our little investigation here. Actually, I do want to check out if anything else was actually, or well, things are over here, but I want to check like what, if anything, has like changed over here. Oh yeah, this is definitely where the tornado definitely went through. There's trees then, and then skip to here. Yeah, that's definitely where the tornado went. Yeah, that's where found where the tornado kind of cut through. So the area has been going good though. All right, well, I think this is good for investigate. Well, like not really, I guess investigation, or well, it's kind of investigation in a way, I guess. Oh, but yeah, hope you guys kind of maybe found this a little bit interesting, and yeah, I'll probably do actually more of these because this is actually kind of interesting. It's interesting to see how things have changed from back then to now and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.